Hi kindergarten, it's me, Miss Belts, and we are going to work on math again today. I hope you're excited. Today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. Today we are going to sort and classify different shapes. How are we going to do this? We're going to look at different shapes and determine how many of each shape there are in a picture. And why are we going to do this? Well, it's important to be able to identify shapes that are the same. So let's get started. So let's look at our vocabulary. The first vocabulary word we have is circle. Now this is a review from yesterday, but it's okay. So the first word is circle. Remember, a circle is a flat, two-dimensional shape. It does not have any straight sides and it does not have any vertices, but it has one long curved line. The next word is a triangle. Remember, a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. The next word is a square. Remember, a square is a flat two-dimensional shape that has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are all the same size, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. And remember, a square is a special kind of rectangle. Remember, a rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This side and this side have to be the same size, and this side and this side, or the top and the bottom, have to be the same size. And it also has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So let's look at this activity. This is one of my favorite pictures. It's a picture of a street in Shape City. Can you help me find all of the different shapes in Shape City? I hope so. All right, let's get started. So here is Shape City. Let's look at it really carefully. What are some things that you notice about Shape City? What shapes do you actually see? I want you to do what we've been doing, and I want you to turn and talk to somebody, and I want you to tell them, what do you notice and what shapes do you see? All right, come back to me in 3, 2, 1. Eyes and ears on me. So what are some things that you notice about Shape City? Well, I see 2 houses. There's one house and here's another house. I see 1, 2, 3 trees. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. And I see a beautiful sun. But even though I see all those things, we're talking about math and we're talking about shapes. So what shapes do you actually see? I hope that you see some circles and some triangles and some squares and some rectangles. So here's what we're going to do. Today what we're going to do is we're going to actually look really careful at Shape City, and we're going to see how many of each shape we actually see. So I made Shape City just a little bit smaller so that we could have our area to write down everything. So the first thing we're going to look for is the number of circles. So put on your magnifying glasses and I want you to see, can you find all of the circles that are in Shape City? So let's look at them together. So I see, where do I see some circles? I see one circle here. And I see another circle here. And I see another circle here. And another circle here. And another one there. Let's see, where else do we see circles? Oh, yeah, I see a circle over here. And a circle over here. A circle over here. Did I get all the circles? No? What am I missing? Oh, I see it. And a circle over here. So I found all of my circles, but I want to know how many circles are there. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 circles. How many circles did I get? That's right, I had 9 circles. Now, let's look at our triangles. So I have one triangle here, and I have one triangle here, and another triangle here, and another triangle here, and another triangle here, and another one here, and another one here, and another one here, and another one here. Did I get all of my triangles? I forgot one. Uh-oh. And my other triangle right there. So now I found all of my triangles, but I have to count them all. Can you count with me? 1, 2, I'm going to start up here so I don't forget. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many triangles were there? That's right, there were 10 triangles. So I'm going to write that right here. 10 triangles. Let's look at our next one. So our next one says number of rectangles. Now remember, rectangles can have special squares. Oops, I clicked too many times. That's okay. Remember, rectangles can have special squares that are there sometimes as well. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to look at all of my squares because remember, a square is a special rectangle. So let me count. I forgot where I was at. Uh-oh. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what I thought. 10. So now let's count our squares that go with it. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, because there's a big old rectangle behind it. And our last one is 20. Oh, there's a lot of rectangles in this picture. How many rectangles were there again? I want to make sure I write the right number down. That's right, there were 20 rectangles. So then the last one is going to be our squares. So remember, a square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot be a square. So I'm only looking for squares. And remember, a square has 4 sides, and all 4 sides have to be the same size. So let's find these squares. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are, that's right, 8 squares. So I'm going to put the number 8. Which shape was there the most of? Yeah, 20. There was 20 rectangles. 20 is a big number. It took us a long time to get to 20. Do you know which one had the smallest amount? Yeah, squares, because 8 is smaller than all of these numbers. It's smaller than 9, it's smaller than 10, and it's smaller than 20. All right, so let's review what we talked about today. Today, we sorted and classified different shapes. We looked at different shapes and determined how many of each shape there were in a picture. I love Shape City, it's my favorite. Why did we do this? Well, it's important to be able to identify shapes that are the same. Now it's going to be your turn. So you're going to get this page and you are going to count all of the shapes from Shape City. This is another part of it. And you're going to complete the chart. So just like we did, you are going to look at the number of circles. So you're going to find all of the circles in this picture and you're going to count them. And however many there are, you're going to write the number right here. Then you're going to find the number of triangles. So again, look at the picture, find all of the triangles and count them. And however many there are, write the number right here. Number of rectangles is going to go here. Remember, a square is a special kind of rectangle, so make sure you include that number also. And the last one is squares. So remember, a square is a four-sided figure, but all four sides have to be the same size. Whenever you're finished, make sure you take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Bye, I'll see you next time.